Then we have a rainbow shepherd. Hi, I'm Andrea. Welcome to the channel. So, glitter slime. I think I got these way more than 6 months ago. They're pretty old. We got 3 different ones. We got Funfetti Milkshake, which is a cloud. We have Pink Sugar Snowflake, which I actually moved into a bigger container because I was hoping that it would clear up a little bit quicker. And then we have the iconic cereal milk. I actually really love how the cereal milk is in a white container versus the others that are like a clear opaque container. So I have a feeling that even though these are super old, I think they're gonna be good. You know, wrapping my girl Nicolette. Hi, Nicolette. Sponsor me. So now that we are fully being a glitter slime sellout, I think her clouds are particularly amazing. This is the only one that I bought. Well, I think actually this is given to me. Either way, this is the only one that I played with out of all 3 of them. The second I got it, I was like this is like the holy grail of cloud slimes. It's just good, and I love it so much. And this isn't even the review yet. I just really want to talk about it because I really like cloud slimes that aren't drizzly cloud slimes, and I know that's not everybody's opinion, but honestly, your opinion is stupid because these are really good. And just most cloud slimes. Please send me your cloud slimes that don't drizzle. I just feel like it's really relaxing. Like, had a bad day, play with Funfetti Milkshake. Stressed out about a big decision in life, play with Funfetti Milkshake. Feel like procrastinating whatever you're doing? Me right now. So, yeah. So out of the 3 slimes, this is the only clear we got. I have to say I really like it. It was lightly scented, which is a huge plus for me because, like I said, scented clear slimes are kind of my favorite thing right now. I am obsessed with them, and it had such cute little charms in it. As far as the color and the clearness go, you can't really tell in this video, but when I started activating it, it was super clear. I know a ton of you guys in my videos have been asking me to pop the bubbles on my slimes more, so I'm gonna try doing that. Funfetti Milkshake. You guys literally heard me talk about this one so much, so I'm just gonna let you watch it. But it was super creamy, super spreadable, and the scent was so good. Next, we have cereal milk. So this one's really classic. It is pretty basic, so if you like super intricate slimes, probably not something that you're gonna vibe with, but it was really thick, it was really glossy, and it activated perfectly. So in my book, I feel like that's a win. Slime Meowie. That's what we have next. I got this one from another event, actually. I think that this one was definitely Slime Mania. So for this one, we got green tea marshmallow cream, which is green tea scented, and a fluffy clay slime.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
So it's not like a full butter, but it definitely has clay in it. Love that texture. Then we have Peach Meowgarita, which is freaking cute. I just don't know how to say it because I'm illiterate. Peach Margarita Icy Slime. So we have that one. That smells like really alcoholic. Like, I'm not mad, but that smells like pretty realistic. Then we have a rainbow shepherd. See, this is where I should be able to roll my R's, but I can't pronounce this for me. Send it to me on Instagram, links down below. Please do it better than I can do it because it's very obvious that I can't do it. So this one is a rainbow sherbet scented butter snow slime. So I guess that's gonna be really soft and fluffy. And then this one is Slime Meowie Crunch. It is a sweet berry scented micro beaded foam. Clear, by the way, she scents her clear slimes, which is amazing. And we love people who do that. So this one, we inflated it. It inflated a lot. Let's pretend that that didn't. So this one seems pretty clay heavy. You can tell because the slime has settled to the bottom, so it looks like the top is all clay. And then, like I said, since these have been sitting for so long, again, totally my fault. The colors were originally like a pink, an orange, and a green, but I think they all just kind of swirled together because it's been on the shelf for literally so long. So it was a little bit difficult to mix in. I definitely got some chunks of clay when I was trying to mix this one all together. And then the overall color was like kind of a creamsicle orange. Again, just not really my vibe, but that doesn't necessarily mean there's anything wrong with it. I just didn't particularly love it. The scent was pretty nice. I'm definitely not into rainbow sherbet scents, but if you are, I have great news for you because this smelled exactly like rainbow sherbet. Definitely didn't hold up as well as the other ones. Like I said, there were quite a few clumps. It never got completely smooth again, so not a huge fan of that. So this one was so satisfying to mix in. I wanted to include the mixing for you guys because it was just like the weirdest feeling. It was just glue and then foam beads. Overall, I have nothing bad to say about this one. It reactivated perfectly. It smelled amazing, and I thought the colors were super, super cute. I do wish it was a little bit crunchier. I did try to go in for those 6 bubble pops, but they just didn't end up working out like I wanted them to, you know? So there are a few more slimes I will say that I didn't include in this video. If you guys want a part 2, definitely hit the like button. That were worse than this slime, but I have to say out of all the slimes that I have tried in this video, this is the one I hated the most, and I don't know if it's because it was sitting for so long or just because I don't really like the texture. And I feel like it could be improved. So definitely feel like it could. Not mad at it. It did smell good. I just wasn't a huge fan of the texture because it was just such a light and sticky icy. This one is another clay slime. I kind of think clay slimes are really fun to mix together once they've been separated because it's kind of like a DIY clay slime, you know what I mean? So you get 2 slimes in one. But this one actually reactivated perfectly. I believe there were like 2 clumps, so maybe it dried a tiny bit in the container. But the smell was amazing. I thought the color reminded me of pistachios, which I thought was really, really cute. I really, really loved the whole aesthetic vibe of this one. Slime glitters. That was loud. There's a story behind this one because Oscar was so nice. He actually messaged me when I placed the order. Actually, when did I place this order? 11/19/2008. He put a ton of extra stuff in here. Look at the decoration. I don't know if he added anything extra. I'm gonna say that right now. I kind of feel like he did. I know for sure I did order this one because I saw so many videos that he was posting of this one when it first came out. And this one is Bombshell Pop. We have a blue one. Oh, is this the one with the snowman? Yeah. I think it's a cloud texture. And it had like these really pretty glitters and it had a cute little snowman charm. And this one's called Frosty Fluff. Ooh, and it smells kind of like snowy and minty. Snowy and minty. Grape Soda Pop, which I believe is a clear and glossy one, which I assume smells like soda pop. Plot twist, it smells like what it says it smells like. And then we have an 8 ounce of Pineapple Mango Frost. So I think I'm gonna have to activate 3 out of 4 of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I love how when we get to the actual review of like reviewing these slimes with a voiceover, I'm super professional. I'm like, I like this, this, and this, but you know, these slimes are pretty good. I wanna give you guys the true facts. So Bomb Pop is the first one we activated, and it was really, really liquidy, so I did have a bit of trouble getting it to reactivate, but it smelled amazing, like a strawberry soda pop, and the colors and the sprinkles were literally so cute. I was so obsessed with it. Plus, these ones aren't as thick and glossy as some other ones I've tried, and I personally feel like the ones that aren't crazy, 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 like putty texture thick are the ones that give you the best bubble pops and the best thwocks. Next, we have Grape Soda Pop. So overall, I can say kind of the same thing about this one as I did Bombshell Pop. Really good thwocks, really glossy, activated really, really nicely. Overall, pretty solid. A tiny bit basic, but I feel like if you're looking for something that you want to buy and you want to make sure it's good, these are really, really good options. Then we have the pineapple jelly. So this was an amazing jelly texture. Like, it was thick, it was clear, it was stretchy, it didn't leave any residue on my table, and then when you inflate it, it made amazing bubble pops. Not to mention the fact that it smelled super good. It was delicious, and I have nothing but good things to say about this one. Finally, Frosty Fluff. So first of all, the smell. This one smelled amazing. I do believe this one was a limited edition one for the holidays. So I don't know if you guys can get this one, but if you guys are dying to try the scent out, definitely go hit him up on Instagram. Ask him if he'll add the scent to something else because it smells super, super good. So I did definitely want to give this one the benefit of the doubt. And again, this doesn't necessarily mean that it's bad. This is just me saying this is my experience personally with this texture. I personally don't love it. I felt like it was a little too crumbly. There wasn't a lot play-wise I could really do with it, but it was super light and super fluffy. So if that's what you really love for ASMR, then this is definitely something that you should try out. All the slimes that inflate so much, I have 3 containers of them. Woo! So next, we have Momo slimes. And Momo slimes is first of all amazing. If you guys want to see like a full, detailed, 100% honest review of just Momo slimes, because there are literally so many slimes here, I could not cover all of them in detail in this video. That is going to be on Peachybbies. It's either up right now or it should be up in a few days. So if you guys want to check out like a full proper review on that channel, there's a lot of slime here. Did I actually mention like where I got the Momo slimes? Momo slime! I ordered from them. But that's why I wanted to do a full review because we got so much stuff. So this one is Totoro's tail. This one is a clear slime. It's got the cutest little pom-poms. They're like white and gray, just like the Totoro. They're so cute, like, oh my God. But it also has these cute little leafies on top. Like, I don't ever want to play with it. I kind of just want to leave it sit and I just want to look at it. So next we have Lychee Fluff. This was actually something that she sent me as a gift as well. This is a 32 ounce. So we already inflated this one for the video and it inflated to this. Would 100% buy it again. 100% recommend you get it because I was like not sure because it was just straight up white and I'm like, oh, this is kind of plain, but it's really good. Use code Andrea for 0% off of Momo Slime Store, but you should just buy from them because they're really great. So like I said, I have 3 more slimes from Momo Slimes that I did not review. So if you guys want to wait for that video, it's going to be on youtube.com/peachybbies. It's going to be a full review, so definitely go check that out. But I wanted to include Lychee Fluff in this one because I was so surprised by this slime, you guys. I genuinely saw it as an extra. I'm like, oh, it's just white. It's just a clay slime. It's going to be kind of boring. But let me tell you, the scent was unique. It fluffed up so much. I'm gonna zoom you guys out so you can see the full inflation because this thing is huge. And it had such a unique light and fluffy texture to it even before I started fluffing it up. I really loved this one. I still play with it to this day. Not great for bubble pops. And then the other one I wanted to include for you guys is Totoro's tail for a few reasons. First of all, because it's freaking adorable. I really loved it. It's also scented. It smells delicious, like a kind of sweet candy scent, and the pom-poms, obsessed with. When you activate clear slimes, they do get a little bit bubbly. So if you guys want updates on this one, definitely check out my Instagram, which is linked down below. But there were really nice bubble pops.
And now, a little rant.
Okay, totally not like a complaint, but some glue did drip down the front and the ink is like leaking. I'm not super mad at it. Not a huge issue because I think the labels are really cute, but that's definitely something that I would have tried to keep off the label if I would known that it would. I mean, it's not bad, but just, you know, fair warning if you get it, definitely don't activate in the container. I made a mistake. I also just made another mistake by trying to get the glue off the label with the slime. Don't make that mistake either. Hello. Hi. So this is me on a different day because I filmed the whole video and realized I didn't have an outro. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, it would help a lot if you gave it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you want to see more things like this because I'm looking at a giant pile of things that I didn't actually get to unbox in this video. If you guys want to see all of these, then definitely let me know down below. Do you guys want to see more reviews? What do you want to see me do on this channel? I need to put these back. In the next video, I'm actually going to be trying ASMR, or doing like an ASMR vid, like a proper vid where I sit down and I like eat the stuff and do the things. So if you guys want to let me know what you want to hear me ASMR, then definitely hit me up in the comments down below. I have no idea what I'm doing. New videos on Peachybbies. I'm actually going to be updating you guys with what's going on with my shop, as well as just like doing some reviews and some fun stuff. So if you guys want to join me over there, just definitely hit me up. Other than that, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next. Bye.